Hello and welcome to our presentation of the proposal. Before I go with the presentation, I will introduce you to all my group members. Hello and welcome. I am Putra Falik Kau bin Muhammad Nur Ramin Kau with my matrix number of 01 DKM20F1124 with Armela N, daughter of Manimaran with matric numbers of 01 DKM20F1125. Next, we have Syed Muhammad Fidaus bin Muhammad Azizan with matrix number of 01 DKM20F1128, and the last one is Nur Fatin Amira binti Muhammad Faris with the matrix number of 01 DKM20F1124. Okay, let's begin with our presentation. I am
Thank you, Putra. Once again, I introduce myself. My name is Ermila Ain, daughter of Manimaran. My matric number is 01DKM20F1125. So now I want to present about the background problem. The first background problem for our project is the grass cutter machine is an equipment which have sharp spinning blades that cut through the grass and its roots. At the same time, lifting up large trips so you can control them up and remove them. So the second background problem is, however, there are many types of cutting machines. It's all still not perfect for small owner. So especially terrace house residents, because all of the grass cutting machines are big in size and can't able to cut the grass in the flower pots.
Thank you, Armela. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now, I will continue this present. First of all, I will introduce myself first. My name is Nur Fatin Amirah binti Muhammad Faris. My matric number is 01DKM20F1114. I will continue this present about problem statement. First, hard to cut the grass grew in small garden, which is the small gardening place provided to terrace houses. Second, people get back pain or back strain while clean the small garden and flower pots. Last, traditional way consists more time to finish it as it need to plant one at the time. Many terrace house developers provide small garden and to terrace house resident. That give many troubles to the resident to organize a small garden, especially when the grass growing up.
The objective of this project is, first, to identify the needs of the compact grass cutting machine to terrace house residents. Second, to analyze methods that can make an easier way for the residents to clean their flower pots. And last, to propose a solution to solve a problem of cutting the grass at small gardens and flower pots without spend too much time.
Now I want to present about the product improvement. For this, the survey is made by us to identify what aspect is the most important to be focused on our compact grass cutting machine. So the things that we consider for improvement is long lasting, save energy, easy to use and low cost.
Survey result. The highest customer requirement is low cost, which is 4 points. Meanwhile, long lasting and easy to use each get 3 points and 2 points. Finally, the lowest customer demand is save energy, which represent 1 point.
Move on to the house of quality. For this part, we need to see what is to prioritize for our product, whether it is material, mechanism, or simple design. As you can see on the screen, we put low cost at the top of the table with 4 points because it fulfills the customer requirement, and at the bottom of it, we put long lasting with 3 points, and both sharing points at the bottom, which is save energy and easy to use with 2 points. The green circles labels at high relationship, and the yellow circle label as medium relationship, and the last part is the red circle, which is the low relationship. For simple design, we got low cost and save energy as high relationship, and easy to use as medium relationship. For mechanism, we got low cost and save energy for high relationship, easy to use for medium relationship, and low relationship for long lasting. And for the material, we got all green circle except for save energy, which is low relationship. So the conclusion is what we need to prioritize on our project is the material with 29 points, mechanism with 25 points, and simple design with 22 points. Move on Next, concept generation. Firstly, low cost. For low cost, it is obviously that material have high relationship with it. So, we will choose the body of our product is polymer and the blade of our product is steel. For long lasting, we definitely need to keep the product properly. So, we invented a case for our product. Next, save energy for consumer. We need to increase the ergonomic of our product. So, firstly, we think of lightweight to avoid pain of the consumer hand. Next, sitting position. As the product is compact and light, the consumer can just sit on a chair or just hold the product easily without getting back pain. And easy to use. For easy to use, we need a simple mechanism. And as you know, the product is wireless and you can bring it anywhere without need to plug any charger on it. Next, morphological chart. For function A, we put there as handle. Handle is the place where we hold our product. Function B as body, which is the body of our compact grass cutting machine. We also have function C, which is power button to turn off and on the product. And lastly, function D, which is blade. Blade is used to cut the grass. So for all the function that I am stated, we have 4 options and each of us must choose one from one function. As you can see on the screen, this is what we choose based on our morphological chart. As myself, I would be the option 1, and I would choose A1, which is function for A as handle. I would choose A1, B1, C4 and D4. And option 2, Armella would choose A1, B1, C2 and D4. As for Syed, option 3, he chose A1, A3, B1, C1 and D2. Lastly, Fatin Amira as option 4, A1, B1, C3 and D4.
Next is the sketch of the concept direction. Each of us has already drew our own idea for this project, and these are the sketch for this project. Next,
From the sketch above, I am able to draw a detailed part of my sketch using Autodesk Inventor. So, this is my result for the detailed sketch of my product. To go more detail, I will tell you the bill of material of our product. So, number 1, we have the body of the product, and number 2, the rubber, which is the place that we touch to feel more comfortable, and number 3, push start button to on and off the product, which is at the top of the body, and number 4, we have shield. Shield is important to avoid the grass splash from the blade. And number 5, we have the blade. Number 6, the motor, which help the blade to function. And number 7, we have the battery case, to place to put the battery. And the number 8 is the body cover to close the diameter of the body. And this is the CAD drawing for my product, which is, you can see the front view, top view, and side view of my product.
So this is the concept of CAD designed by me. So let us see about the bill of material for my design. So for my design, there are 7 bill of material. The first one is compact grass cutter machine motor. The second one is compact grass cutter machine body. The third one is compact grass cutter machine screw. The fourth one is compact grass cutter machine blade. The next is compact grass cutter holder sponge. The sixth one is compact grass cutter machine holder. And the last one is compact grass cutter on off button. So let us Now I want to explain about the dimension of CAD drawing compact grass cutter machine. So the total length of compact grass cutter machine is 38 centimeter. So the inner diameter of holder is 6.5 centimeter. The outer diameter of holder is 7.5 centimeter. So the width of compact grass cutter machine is 15 centimeter. Now
This is the concept for my sketch, which is side muffler. When I was design, I use the software of Autodesk Inventor through this sketch. These are the bill of material, or also known as the BOM, for my sketch. My sketch has a total part of 8, which is the body rubber, the toggle, the switch handle, the button, and also the blade. This is the view from 3 kind of view, which is home view, top view, and also the bottom view.
Concept card. So now I show the result the result of my drawing design by myself using Autodesk Inventor. You can see the result on this slide. This is my own custom law machine made up of saw blade, grass cut, electric machinery, ledge adjustment button, and the last one is lithium battery. Card drawing. First of all, the length of a compact grass cutting machine is 261 and the grass guard dimension is 46 and the saw blade dimension is 28. The last one is the body of the compact grass cutter machine is 34 and the last one is the lithium battery of the compact grass cutter machine is 30.
So now I want to explain about the product tree. So below to the product there are four main advantages to our project one, which is energy management system, safety factor, easy to use and control and indicator. So first of all, to the energy management system, we use rechargeable battery. Secondly, for the safety factor, we fixed shield to the hold to protect from the grass splash to us. Also make sure they have safe distance from blade. Thirdly, our compact grass cutter machine F easy operate system and also easy to maintain. So people can use it easily. Lastly, for control and indicator, we use switch to operate the compact grass cutter machine. So now
Block diagram. First, power supply battery to the switch on and motor functioning. The last is blade spinning.
This is the schematic diagram for our project. We will use the battery as our main power source and we connected it to the switch. And from the switch, we gonna connect it through it to the motor, and the motor will rotate the blade. This is
explain about the suggested fabrication. So the first one is the soldering. The uses of this fabrication, which is soldering, is set to attach the wire and component for the circuit, the one we use to our compact grass cutter machine. The second one is hot gun glue. The contribute of hot gun glue to our project is to glue the component we used in compact grass cutter machine with a better joint. A hot gun glue is a very useful tool for joint modeling materials, and even more substantial materials can be fixed together with it.
Targeted testing. First, multimeter reading. Measure properties of each electrical component to see if there's multifunction in the circuit. Measure the performance of the battery and solar panel. Second, lithium battery charging. Test using battery charger to see if the battery used is having the same voltage for safety measure.
So, the estimated cost of my product would be RM230, which is consists of the rubber, polymer pipe, push button, blade, motor, battery case, shield, hot glue gun, detachable battery, wire, battery charger, and soldering iron. As you can see on the screen, this is the price of each item that I stated before.
So this is the estimate cost for option 2, which is designed by me. So the left column is the items and the right one is the cost of the items. So the PVC pipe is 12 ringgit, the on off switch button is 4 ringgit, the blade is 37 ringgit, the cost of motor is 20 ringgit, the cost of hot gun glue is 8 ringgit, the rechargeable battery is 30 ringgit, the price of wire is 6 ringgit, the battery charger is 25 ringgit, the price of screw is 7 ringgit, the cost of EPE foam cube is 9 ringgit, the guard is 80 ringgit. Finally, the price of soldering iron is 50 ringgit. So the total cost for my design is 253 ringgit.
This is the estimated cost for my option. I will use a polymer pipe which will be cost 8 ringgit. On off switch button which will cost 4 ringgit. Blade 37 ringgit. Motor 20 ringgit. Pipe glue 4 ringgit. Rechargeable battery 30 ringgit. Wire 6 ringgit. Battery charger 25 ringgit. Screw 7 ringgit. And handle switch which is 14 ringgit. The total estimated cost for my option is 155 ringgit.
Estimated cost. The estimated cost is designed by me. The right column is cost. The left column is about item. Polymer pipe is the 10 ringgit. So blade is 50 ringgit. Grass guard cost is 19 ringgit. The cost of control switch is 5 ringgit. Motor is 20 ringgit. The cost of soldering iron is 50 ringgit. The cost of wire is 5 ringgit. Lithium battery is 120 ringgit, and the total of the estimate cost is 244 ringgit.
We would like to say thank you for lending your ears to hear the presentation.